What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my normal channel. Sorry if it has a different name now, but this is what I was saying, guys. Here. This right here. Ignore me, this plane. Sorry, I'm just gonna stand up. Here's my Airbus A380. It's a really cool aircraft. It goes. Uh-oh. It's a nice aircraft. Or I can't go. You can just go like this. And not like that. It can go down for decent. This is my favorite aircraft from Qantas Airlines. Bottom of the aircraft is pretty secure.